Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.